Connecting your DoorDash account to the Dasher app is streamlined for ease of use. Since mid-2025, upon being approved as a Dasher, your existing DoorDash account is automatically linked to the Dasher platform. First, sign up or log into DoorDash.com or the DoorDash app. Then, apply to be a Dasher via the Become a Dasher portal, providing necessary details like ID and vehicle information. Once approved, download the Dasher app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in using the same DoorDash credentials. The app then automatically syncs your account data, including payment information, ensuring a unified profile. This integration uses secure tokens for login with biometric options for enhanced security. Make sure to give the app permissions so it can track location and give notifications. Once logged in, the Dasher app pulls active orders from DoorDash's servers in real time via APIs. This ensures that order updates, such as pickups and deliveries, appear instantly. If you encounter syncing issues, DoorDash has implemented in-app diagnostics to address common problems like GPS permission errors or account mismatches. These tools can autonomously resolve up to 85% of user-reported issues. Ensure you have a compatible smartphone with Android 8.0 Plus, iOS 14 Plus, and a stable internet connection. DoorDash's OAuth integration enhances security, reducing hacking risks. With 85% of Dashers reporting positive sync experiences, the system is designed for reliability. If problems persist, consult DoorDash's official help center for detailed troubleshooting steps. Be sure to keep the app updated to the latest version to benefit from the newest features and fixes.